TOYO's channel. Today we are at the Mr. Man's exhibition and I'm going to give you guys a quick tour. As always, please remember to like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this. Without further ado, let's go! As part of the exhibition, there were loads of Mr. Man stuff ranging from imageries created by various artists to interactive areas for kids, but since I was there primarily for this vlog, I'm just freestyling it and pretty much just roamed around the venue. The bigger setup downstairs, they had a life-size replica of a newsagent store, and there were tons of stuff including books and magazines, hand-drawn originals, as well as a small collection of vintage Mr. Man stuff such as plushes from the 70s, yo-yos, and other collectibles such as coins. I like this part of the venue a lot better as there are more characters I can take photographs with, such as Mr. Bump, which is one of my favorite upon the whole bunch. Next up, I went to this restaurant to grill some meat, baby. I haven't had this kind of cuisine for quite a few years, so it's super exciting to be there, listening to the meat sizzle at the grill, and I just removed some of the background music so you guys can also immerse in that experience with me. I had the conventional meats out there such as chicken, beef, veg like shiitake mushrooms, and I wish I could have this kind of cuisine every single day. We've got chicken here and also pork neck on the left. Alright, let's try the pork neck first. Full blown chicken with some dried garlic at the top. Lastly, for dessert, we landed at a really chilled Haagen-Dazs and ordered the afternoon tea set with this apple cheesecake, ice cream and coffee, which of course summed up the day pretty incredibly. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, please remember to like the like button and subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this. Vlogs, Disney, Marvel, Hot Toys, vlogs, more vlogs, stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe and see ya. Bye, 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 bye.